Alright, we're going to learn how to hook up a PlayStation 3 system. Very much like the Wii or the Xbox 360, it's easy setup, meant to be quick and fast, especially if you have something like this. In this case, we're going to learn how to hook it up to a flat screen TV. Plasma, LCD, LED, doesn't really matter. Flat screen TVs are built for systems like this. PlayStation 3 is fully HD compatible, but it can work with standard AV, which is their red, yellow, and white cable. So, on the back of the PlayStation 3, we have these things. We have the TV here. TV connections are typically on the back or the side. So, we just want to place the PlayStation 3 somewhere where the back is easily accessible to the back or side of the TV. If I turn this TV to the side, you can see right above Diego's head here that it has connections on the side of the TV as well as some on the back. In this case, an audio video card is great because we have a mounted TV. If you have the resources to do so, mounting the TV makes it easy to move and easy to access these ports. On the back, there's an entire bank of ports, but often if you hook them to a frame like this, they're blocked. So the side ports are a wonderful addition to these TVs if you have such a mounted setup. Now, first thing we want to do, of course, is make sure we're hooking up the PlayStation. So, PlayStation needs power. That's our biggest thing. We've already got our multi-plug down below, as we've talked about in previous videos. Multi-plug is great. Remember, a surge protector, you want to protect this equipment. So, Diego's going to plug in this power cord. Wonderful, and put it into the power strip down below. Our next step is to hook up audio video. We'll start with the standard audio video. It is the red, yellow, and white cable set that comes with the PlayStation. It has 3 plugs. Those will go into the TV. The other end is unique to the PlayStation 3 and has a fitted plug. It only goes in one way, and it fits right next to the power cable on the PlayStation 3. Once we've done that, we'll set our PlayStation down temporarily while we hook up our 3 connectors. Once that's done, you simply turn on the PlayStation, which is done by pressing the little silver button on the front. Newer PlayStation 3s are thinner and have a silver button right down here. It clicks and the system turns on. You'll know it turns on because you'll hear a slight whirring sound of the fan. You'll feel cool air coming out of the back of the PlayStation, and a green light will come on at the front of the light, or the front of the button, excuse me. So, discs on the PlayStation 3 are easy to put in. All you have to do to mount your game, much like the Wii, is just slide it in. It will self-feed into the system. There is no tray on a PlayStation 3. Diego puts it with the label of the game facing upwards, and it just takes it. You only have to push lightly until the system takes it from you. Once you do so, you'll see a blue dot showing that a game is inserted right on the front of the thing, and an eject button that will remove your disc when you're ready. When you're done playing, all you have to do is hit the eject button. Your disc pops out and you can grab it. Just be careful not to touch the disc too much on the bottom part. If your television is high definition capable, meaning it can handle 720p or 1080p, even high definition video, the PlayStation 3 comes automatically capable of delivering this level of quality. On the back of the PlayStation, next to the standard audio video hookup, if you move over 2 spaces, there is a HDMI or high definition audio video connection. This has audio and video on one wire. There's only one wire to hook up to the PlayStation and one to the TV. You can buy a standard HDMI cable in any hardware store, any sort of electronics store. These are standardized. There's not one that is required for the PlayStation. Don't waste the money on a fancy PlayStation specific one. Any $5 one, even off of Amazon.com, will work. All you have to do is plug one end into the PlayStation, and the other end will go into the TV. Most flat screen TVs have one or more of these ports. And once that's hooked up, you've got audio and video on your TV. Again, it's ready to go. Just turn the PlayStation on and insert your game.